Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Pokémon TCG Pocket. In order to change your username in Pokémon TCG Pocket, first of all, open up the application on your mobile device first and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, click on your profile icon at the top of the screen, and from your profile section, go ahead and tap the pencil icon right next to your name. Now, when it comes to changing your name in Pokémon TCG Pocket, if you have previously changed your name, then you'll need to wait for 30 days to change your name again. If you haven't changed your name before, then you can simply go ahead and enter your new name and it will be updated on your profile. But the process of changing your username is to simply go to your profile and then tap on the pencil icon right next to your name. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.